have you go this way around, and then please talk to me. Very good. Just give you your table right over here and record all the way to the top.
Perfect. Come on in, travelers. We'll begin shortly. All right, you got it up here? Perfect. You ready? Good, good. All right, we're all in. Well, I say we begin. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good. Well, first of all, I want to say to each of you, welcome to the workshop. We are very glad you are here. I see you brought 2 tiny lightsabers with you. Good to see you. All right. I see you met my companions outside already. You met Roman. Thank you for guiding them in safely. Over there by the door is Sean. Here is Nicole. Next to me is Alicia. And over here by the door we have Courtney. And you may call me Kembe. But I know what you think. You're thinking, wait a minute, Kembe. What did we just walk into? This all looks like a lot of old junk. But let me assure you, some of this is new junk. Now, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. And what we really do is we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We travel to the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, well, that is what we smuggle and hide here among the junk. So just in case a stormtrooper walks in, well, they will just see junk and crates against the walls. But those who stay and listen closely will learn about priceless history. Now, before we go any further, I must ask you this. You have heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes? Good.
Yeah.
But we hear there's a new Jedi. And she has been spotted right here on Batu. And her name is Rey. And that's why you're here, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and most powerful enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, as you construct your very own lightsaber, you will feel that connection. But where do we start? Where do we begin? We begin with perhaps the most important element of any lightsaber, kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. You see, the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's plasma blade. I see him on your shirt. Blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi and his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And now legend has it perhaps, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and eventually, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the Jedi Order's greatest swordsman, Jedi General Mace Windu. Red, it has been called the color of power, as the crystal of Darth Maul, Sith assassin Asajj Ventress, Darth Tyrannus, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you, the future, to look ahead. So now, it's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, which will be the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, here's what I need you to do. I need you to focus, clear your mind, and close your eyes. And picture in your mind's eye the colors I, Kembe, will mention out loud once more. Blue, green, violet, red. And you will notice one color shines brightest amongst all the other colors in your mind. That color calls out to you. So now open your eyes and select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber.
Did you want to pull it? Okay, good job.
Now builders, after you selected your kyber crystal carefully, place your kyber crystal on the green crystal holder at your station. You will now connect your kyber crystal to the lightsaber design you have selected. You will of course begin by building your very own lightsaber hilt. Now that will be the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control. And the only thing keeping your hands from being disintegrated. You can always get new hands, but you will not have them. Now, take a look at your boxes. We're going to go over each section. Now in your box, to the far left, you'll see what is called your lightsaber's chassis. All the way to the far right, you'll see your activation plates and your controls. In sections 1 and 2, you'll see 4 different types of grips or sleeves. Section 3, your very powerful blade emitters. And section 4, your pummel caps. Now, please turn your attention to the builders standing in front of you. They will guide you through this ancient tradition. So builders, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, well, it's time to build. Hello there,
Take the chassis, take the kyber crystal you chose, and we're going to bond the two together by placing that crystal in the center of the chassis. Now there's an easy way to do this. You see those striped lines there? Underneath the top of this spring loaded. So what you want to do is get a firm grip on your crystal and push it up towards those striped lines, which will give you leverage at the bottom to adjust it and snap it into place. It should light it up with the color you chose for your lightsaber. That is the trickiest part of the build, so if you want to let me know.
Now, we're going to move on to the control.
Alright, sit here, just in the bottom. There we go. Now, while we get this set up, I'm going to ask you to start picking out a pair of activation plates from column 5. One set or the other. Okay, which inside these, you're going to notice a set of red and blue squares. Red and blue on the side of the chassis. So, red goes directly on top of red. Blue directly on top of these.
Oh, on top, like that.
Now, not only is this going to protect your kyber crystal, it's also going to give you a switch that will activate the lightsaber. So touch that switch and have those plates together. That sounds good. So you just put that out. So you want the square to cover directly over the square, so just kind of, you got it right the other position. There you go. And just slide it a little bit more towards you. There you go. Snap right on. Now with those grips and the activation plates in place, next is our grips. So you're going to choose any two of the 4 grips that you'd like to work
Oh, oh.
Now the good thing is all of these grips work as either a top or a bottom hand grip. All of these ones have been designed, but I'd like you to notice something. For my friends who can tell us and do some justice, do you see how all of your grips have a thick silver band and then the other side of it doesn't have that silver on it? And for protection and defense, all of yours have a bronze band on one side, right? And the other side doesn't have it. That is where your threading is. So you want the threading of your saber to go, of the grip to go in towards the center of your saber, and you're going to give it a good firm twist. Tighten it in place. Big band in.
So, like,
Just give it a good firm twist, and when it stops tightening, it should be in a good sturdy place.
oh, there we go. Oh, man.
Yeah, these components don't always perfectly align, just keep in mind. But
What was that? You said they do or don't?
they don't always perfectly, yeah. They're just made to be universally compatible.
Nah, I don't want to do that. I want to over tighten it.
That could be your top one. First one down towards the middle.
Oh, that was so close.
Twist it.
That's so close. Darn it. I wonder. It's threaded, right?
As long as it.
They're threaded though, right?
Yeah, they should be threaded and they should come out tight.
Give it a good push and twist.
Alright.
There we go. I heard it.
2 steps. You're gonna take one of these two to the top of your
They are. Now you're gonna get one more at the bottom over there.
A little opposite, then you hear it click.
You just have to give it a push and twist.
There it is. I heard it.
Awesome. So what you're gonna do now is choose your emitter. It's gonna twist right on top of that saber.
One of these, you said?
Yep. And then last twist today is gonna be your end cap. It's gonna twist right at the bottom of that saber.
Elemental nature. All right. All natural elements.
So.
It is a tough choice.
Hang on, let me check. Nope.
Yeah, no worries. No worries.
Yeah, that's gonna kill me. My OCD.
I got you. So you have to fidget with it a bit outside the workshop to get it all to line up. Right now, the most important thing is just having the pieces you want the most.
I do love this piece the most.
Yeah, they should line up. You just have to fidget around with it a little bit outside.
And this should line up the gold, right?
Yeah, just again, you have to fidget with it outside. Right now, the most important thing is just making sure everything's all good together. So it's like keep that is right now. Again, just work with it outside.
Okay. Yeah, I like this one.
Alright, so I'm going to do one final safety check for you to make sure everything's working right inside that saber over here. Yeah, looks perfect. So when 10 basics time to activate, all you have to do is slide over the switch, just go right back down to deactivate. That is all yours. Congratulations.
Nice.
Well done. All right, Bill. Well done. All right. I want you to take this moment now. Hold your lightsabers in your hand. There you go. I want you again to focus on your kyber crystal. Legend has it, your lightsaber's kyber crystal will help you find balance within the Force when you need it most. And whether you chose the light or the dark side of the Force, we the gatherers make no judgment here at this workshop, for the Force belongs to us all. Now, carefully, place your hilts back in their saddles and step away from your stations against the walls. Please stay in that location until I can call you forward. Now, we the gatherers are not force sensitive. We cannot harness the power of
Whoops.
force. So in order to safely stabilize your crystals, we are now placing your lightsaber hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers.
Mine's
Today
unstable.
we'll attempt to stabilize each one of your kyber crystals.
I knew
Now I
it.
walked and I met a few of you. I know a few of your kyber crystal colors. They are very important. They can
Let's
help
go.
you connect strongly to the Force. For instance, right now, raise your hand if you chose
On a roll.
the blue kyber crystal. Yes, indeed. All right. Those
Can I break
are
it?
guardians of the Force. If you focus on lightsaber technique and skill, the crystal will guide you. Raise your hand if you chose the red kyber crystal. Right here. Anyone else? Over here as well. Power, passion, strength will be your guide. Use it wisely, okay? You red blades. Now, raise your hand if you chose the violet kind of crystal. As you know, has a little bit of red and a little bit of blue, making you a passionate guardian. Well done. Finally, the green kind of crystal. Crystal of knowledge. Connects to the Force. Very powerful Jedi.
Well done. Chosen approach with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Whoa. Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time. We are at the final stage. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a few moments, I will ask the builders to move forward. Then, I will ask you to place your hand on your hilt. And on my command, and in tradition, you will activate as one. Builders, are you ready?
Yeah.
Please move forward. Place your hands on your hilt and activate. Builders, please, raise your lightsabers high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Well done. Now please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. Remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with the saber sheath. And wherever you see that symbol, our symbol, may it remind you of the knowledge we've passed on to you today. Because our time here is at an end. Your journey has just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you just built. So please,
God,
raise your
heavy.
lightsabers and activate.
Nice.
Till the spire! Well done, everyone. Please collect your cargo and you'll all enter through those doors. Collect your saber sheath before. Right before you run. Yeah.